Hello aspirants, welcome to Bank Geology. This is the teachment app for and Bank Geology aspirants classroom for geology aspirants who are preparing for all geology competition exams, means UPSC, GATE Geology, and CSIR and APPSC are state PSC jobs, and MSc entrance exam mainly. So these are useful for as strong basics. Okay, these videos and tests these are useful as strong basics. Okay, for your preparation. Okay, the universe and the solar system and solar internal structure of the earth, and these topics are the completed in this week, and next week tests already completed, geomorphology and solar system and internal structure of the earth. Then from tomorrow atmosphere and classes also simultaneously atmosphere. Okay, students, so many students already joined. Okay, join here for strong basics, and fees is also very low. Okay, join here, 100 rupees for only test series, and for online classes and test series both are 150 only. Okay, join here. Thank you. Share with your friends. Okay, today our topic is solar system MCQs. Okay, solar system MCQs. Okay, let's start the class. First one, nebular hypothesis was proposed by option A, Kant, option B, Laplace, option C, Kant and Laplace individually, and option D, Kant and Laplace combinedly. See here, answer C, Kant in 1755, Laplace in 1796. So these are not proposed combined individually, sorry, combinedly proposed. These are, option C is the correct answer. Okay, not Kant and Laplace individual, individually is not correct answer. Kant and Laplace is combinedly is correct answer. Okay, clear. Next, a star which is burning and fusing the mostly hydrogen is called option A, red giant, option B, main sequence, option C, white dwarf, option D, supergiant. Answer B. Main sequence is when a star is burning hydrogen in its core. Enough. See here, answer. A star which is burning mostly hydrogen is called. So, main sequence is when a star is burning hydrogen in its core. The luminosity and temperature of a main sequence star are set by its mass. Okay, so here correct answer is main sequence. Next, third question. Depth range of the transition zone associated with phase changes in the Earth's mantle is option A 35 to 150, option B 150 to 410, and option C 410 to 660, and option D 660 to 800. Here correct answer is, see here, transition zone from 440 to 660. Okay, clear. 440 to 660. Below upper mantle to 660 means here C, option C is the correct answer. 410 to 660 is the correct answer. Clear. Next, time taken by sunlight to reach the earth. Option A 8.09 minutes, and B 9.3 minutes, C 7.3 minutes, and D 10.3 minutes. See here, sunlight travels at the speed of light. The speed of sunlight reach the earth is, speed of sunlight is 3 lakh minutes per second. Photons emitted from the surface of the sun need to travel across the vacuum of space reach our eyes. The short answer is that takes sunlight at average 8 minutes 20 seconds to travel from the sun to earth. Nearly, here is the correct answer is the 8.09 minutes. Clear. Next, total surface of the earth. Direct question, 510 kilometers. is the total square kilometers is the million square 510 total surface of the earth 510 million square kilometers. Clear? See here. Yes, this one 510 million square kilometers. Clear? Next, which planet is under see another one volume 1100 million kilometers and radius 6371 kilometers and polar radius 6357 kilometers, equatorial radius 6378 kilometers and earth mass 5.98 into 10 to the power of 21 tons and density 5.5. Okay, next, which planet is also known as green planet? Option A Earth, option B Uranus, and option C Mars, and option D Saturn. See here, correct answer is, see here, Mercury grey and slightly brownish, and Earth blue with white clouds, and Mars mostly reddish brown, and Jupiter orange and white bands, and Saturn and pale gold, and Uranus green. Which is the green planet? Uranus. Uranus is the green planet. Clear? Earth is a blue planet. And Mars mostly reddish brown because of its hue. Okay, Saturn is pale gold. Saturn is the pale gold. Clear? Here green planet is Uranus. Next, you can take screenshot. Okay, very important information. Next, seventh question. The sunspots are the regions of option A high pressure, option B high temperature, option C low magnetic field, and option D high magnetic field. See here, sunspots are caused by disturbances in the sun's magnetic field welling up the photosphere, the sun's visible surface. The powerful magnetic field in the vicinity of the sunspots produce active regions on the sun. Means, so this is the high magnetic field and low temperature. Occurred high magnetic field and low temperature. Okay, sunspots are caused by disturbances in the sun's magnetic field. Next, eighth question. A vast majority of earthquake sources are often linked to option A not inner core, option B not outer core, and option B and option D molten part of the earth mantle, option B brittle part of the earth crust. So this is the correct answer, brittle part of the earth crust. A vast majority of earthquake sources are often linked to brittle part of the earth crust. Option next question, ninth. Which planet always keeps same face to the sun? Option A Mercury, option B Venus, option C Mars, option D Jupiter. Here correct answer is Mercury. Which of the following Jovian planets are Mars inner planet, Mercury inner planet, Pluto is not planet. So here correct answer is Jupiter. Clear? Next, which planets rotates in retrograde? Prograde and retrograde. Normally all the planets rotate from west to east. Clear? Next, but Venus and Uranus rotated from east to west. This is the prograde motion. This is the retrograde motion. Understand? So which planets rotate in retrograde motions? Venus and Uranus. Why? Because of their pole slightly inclined. This Venus pole inclined 177 degrees. That's why Venus doing retrograde sense, rotating in retrograde sense, and Uranus also. See here, this Venus is doing 177.3 degrees inclined. Next, this Uranus 97.8 degrees inclined. That's why these two are rotating in retrograde sense. Clear? Next question. Next, the planet, 12th question. The planet which contributes maximum to the angular momentum of the solar system. Basic question. Option A Earth, option B Saturn, option C Mars, and option D Jupiter. Answer Jupiter. See, our Jupiter's orbital angular momentum alone accounts for over 16%. Our only for Jupiter angular momentum accounts 60%. Total angular momentum of the solar system percentage of the total angular momentum of the solar system. So total angular momentum in the solar system only accounts 60% to the Jupiter. To the Jupiter, okay, to the Jupiter. So remains 40% to remain planets. That's why Jupiter have the maximum angular momentum. Clear? Next question. Which planet is smallest satellite? Which is the smallest satellite? Which is the smallest satellite? Deimos. Okay, Deimos is the smallest satellite. Next, Phobos. Phobos is the after Deimos is the after Deimos. Deimos is the smallest satellite. After Deimos, Phobos is the smallest. Next, why does an S-wave shadow zone form? Okay, why does an S-wave shadow zone form? Option A, S-type seismic. First one, please listen carefully. P wave, passed through solid, liquid, and gaseous medium. Three medium. But S wave travel only solid medium. Okay, please remember these principles. Next, option A. S type seismic waves do not travel through solids. Do not travel through solids. This is the wrong, because S type seismic waves only travel through solids. So this is the wrong. S type seismic waves do not travel through liquids. Alright. P type seismic waves do not travel through solids. P type seismic waves do not travel through and this C is the P type seismic waves do not travel through solids. This is also wrong, because P type seismic waves travel through solids, liquids, and gases. So this is the wrong answer. This option saying do not travel through solids. P type, next D. P type seismic waves do not travel through liquids. This is also wrong, because P type seismic waves travel through solids, liquids, and gases medium. So these two are wrong, and this one also wrong. Only B is the right, because S type seismic waves do not travel through liquids. Clear? Do not travel through liquids. That's why the S wave shadow zone, S wave form shadow zone. Okay, clear. Next, tsunamis are the gravity waves, not acoustic wave and capillary wave and internal wave. This is the only gravity waves. What is the average composition of continental crust? What is the average composition of continental crust? Granitic. And oceanic crust, basaltic. Where does where does Where does gravity attains its maximum value? Option A 660 kilometers, B 1200 kilometers, C 2900 kilometers, and D 700 kilometers. See here, 660 kilometers is the gravity attains its maximum value at the transition zone. End of the transition zone, gravity attains its maximum value. Bode's law expresses the approximate distance between the Earth and outer planets. Earth and outer planets. Bode's law express the approximate distance between the actually sun and planets. Sun and This is sun and planets. Okay, this is sun and planets. Board's law express the approximate distance between the sun and planets. Okay, clear? Sun and planets. See here answers given options. A, Earth and outer planets, not specially for outer planets. Board's law, not specially for not for Earth and outer planets. Clear? Not moon and sun, not for moon and Earth, only for planets and sun. Okay, not any specific planets, inner and outer, only for planets and sun, not for moon and Earth. Clear? Clear. Next question, 19th. The sun is essentially a sphere of hot gases. The disk is also called photosphere. Okay. Next, orbital motion of the earth. Orbital motion of the earth 30 km per second. Our earth orbital motion is 30 km per second. Next, Mercury, orbital motion of the Mercury orbital motion 41 km per second. Okay, clear? Your correct answer is 30 km per second. Please remember. Thank you. This is the 20 MCQs about internal structure and solar system. Okay, if you like this, please like and share with your friends. And if you want to join in teachment test series and online classes, please I will give below link. You can join here. It is very useful for your preparation any competitive geology exam. Thank you.